In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blank screen in CapCut PC. If you want to place a solid black or solid white screen between your video clips, this is a very simple way to do it. A blank screen can be useful for creating a clean chapter break, setting up a title card, or adding an end screen at the end of your project. CapCut already includes these background options, so you do not need to create anything manually. To begin, go to the top left area of CapCut and click on the Media tab. This is where you can access the different types of files and built-in assets available inside your project. Once you're in the Media section, look over to the left sidebar and click on Stock Materials. This opens CapCut's library of ready-to-use visual assets, including background templates. After that, look across the top of the asset tray where the category headers appear. CapCut sorts its stock backgrounds into different groups to make them easier to find. For a completely plain background, click on the black and white category. This is where the simplest blank screen options are located. At the top of the grid, you should see two very clear choices, solid black and solid white. These appear as simple blank square thumbnails. Choose the color that works best for your project. Black is often great for dramatic pauses, transitions, or clean breaks, while white can work well for bright title cards or minimalist sections. Once you've decided which one you want, click the blue plus icon in the corner of that thumbnail. As soon as you do that, CapCut will place the blank screen directly onto your main timeline track. This saves time because you don't have to drag in extra files or build a color background from scratch. From here, you can move the blank screen to wherever you need it in your timeline. For example, you can place it at the very beginning if you want to create an opening title screen. You can also insert it between clips to separate sections of your video more cleanly. If you want the blank screen to stay visible longer, click and drag the outer right edge of the clip on the timeline. Stretching that edge increases the duration, so the black or white screen stays on screen for as many seconds as you need. This is especially useful when you're adding text, pausing between segments, or building a simple end card. And that's it. You've successfully found CapCut's stock blank backgrounds, inserted one into the timeline, and adjusted it to fit your edit. You're all set. Done.